Hey, does this outfit make me look fat?
I'm not falling for that.
I just want you to give me your honest opinion.
Look, no matter what I say, you're gonna get mad and I'm gonna be in trouble.
No, I just want you to be honest with me. No matter what you say, I'm not gonna get mad and you're not gonna get in trouble.
I slept with your sister. How to babysit. Check it out. There you go. Look at Warren.
They do.
Jalen.
You have to be ready earlier.
I've seen girls put on makeup like that.
That looks funny. I don't know.
He's silly.
Dad didn't see him.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, my kid. That's a cool picture, right? All right.